What is the longest running lie you have continued to tell? I wrote erotica for many years before I switched over to romance novels. Glorious filth that basically allowed me to pay off my student loans. If anyone in my family asks, I was writing corporate reports. No one has ever asked me what a corporate report is, thankfully, because I'm pretty sure my response would be something along the lines of You know, it's business stuff, for businesses, followed by me repeating the word synergy until they went away. Explanation of public and private relationships with deep physical market penetration in both standard and non-standard openings. Discussion of implausible firm members performing for unrealistic time frames, resulting in overly expressive artificial outcomes.